Good day. How are you? So today we are going to study the introduction of microbiology. What is microbiology and what comes under the microbiology, or what organisms does the microbiology deals with? Let's start with the definitions. Now, there is a simple definition that the world knows microbiology from. That is the study of living organisms. But what living organisms? These are the living organisms that comes under the category of the microorganisms. So let's see what is the micro mean. Let me give you some fun facts. Our eyes can only distinguish two objects if they are placed 2 millimeters, 1 millimeter apart. If you go below that, our eyes cannot see it. So just think about the microorganisms. Why aren't we able to see it with our naked eyes? It's because they can't be seen. Our eyes just don't have that technology in it, that machinery in it, to be able to differentiate them as different microorganisms, because they are so small that they look as one. So if we see the cluster of the microorganisms, we just see as a spot. If they are actually in millions or trillions of numbers, only then can we see them as a spot, a big spot of, just like a drop of blood or water. But our eyes cannot see deeper than that actually these are the microorganisms and they can move too. So that's why we need a microscope. Microscope actually has a technology that can see through the 1 millimeter limit. That's why it can differentiate the microorganism as the microorganism. Unlike us, that we see as non-living object, they can actually capture their movement as well. I hope you learn why the microorganisms are the organisms that need microscope to be seen. Now, here comes the complex definition. It actually isn't complex in the concept, it's just difficult in the terminologies and the depth. So, it is the branch of biology. Biology means it's the branch of living organisms, but that focuses only on the microorganisms, their structure, their function, their genetics, and their interaction. Now, what are the microorganisms? The microorganisms are bacteria, viruses, and protozoa, and